Hello dear friend. We all use computer, but after using for certain time the computer gets slow. It's a common problem. So we have to make it fast. Let's see at your level without changing any hardware how we can make our computer faster. It is basically you have to clean the junk files from the computer. They are lying in your folders in computer. So once you delete these files, then your computer will become faster. Moreover, sometimes you need to restart the computer, and if it is very slow, then run defrag. Let's start with the deleting of the temporary file. First, I'll go to this local disk C. That means here from we have to go here, Windows. Then we have to find the temp folder. Right, temp. Click it. So you have to delete all the files and folders. Select and delete. If this type of pop-up will come, then continue. Do it for all the current items, then continue. See what is happening? It's clear. Now the second folder is this one, prefix. Now this is a folder. This is the second folder. You have to click it. It will ask for this type of pop-up. Then continue. See, there are lots of files. So you select all the files. Press the shift button and drag this cursor at the end. Now we have to just press the button delete. Just see. We have cleared. First write percentage sign temp, then again percentage sign. Then this file, this folder will open. This is a temp folder. Now select all the files or folders in this. See, this is a long queue of files. So I am just deleting one part first. See, these files are still there. Okay. Now you have to go to recycle bin. Here it is. You have to open it and select all this way. Drag at the bottom, select all, then delete. See, 466. Very important. So I have shown you how to clear the temp file from the computer, so your computer becomes faster. So if there are lots of files like this one, so you cannot help it. Your PC will become slower. See how fast it is getting deleted. So thanks for watching.